Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to close balance in Wise. So simply, first of all, you have to log into your Wise account. So as you can see, this is the main dashboard of Wise. After that, on the left side there are multiple tabs available here. So as you can see, balances option is here. So under this there are two open balances added. So I want to delete. Simply I will select the one that I want to delete. So I have selected Australian dollar, and now after that click on more. So just keep in mind, if you want to delete, just you have to download your statements, and you can also download all the details. After that click on close balance, and now when you click on this red button, so in this way you can simply close balance. Now we will also delete this one. Simply just select it, after click on more, or click on close balance, and now again click on close balance. So in this way you can close balance in Wise.